Oh, you're interested, aren't you? Hello again, Pietro here. Do you remember the Samsung Z Flip 4, also known as the Samsung Z Flip4? Anyway, had it for about a year, and for $56, this came in the mail. Let's check out the Z Flip or Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Here we go. All right, here goes nothing. Knife safety, right, Malacqua? Okay, that's the invoice. Get up to 40% off your gout? Yeah, later. Whoa. What angle? That was a lot of packaging. The Galaxy Z Flip 5. Ooh. Well, that's really small font. Oh. Do not accept if seal is broken. Ooh. Let's flip. I have to admit, this is one of my favorite parts. Okay, here we go. Aw, I was kind of hoping for the suction thing. All right, so we got in the box. Ooh, there's something in here. A USB-C charging cable. No headphones, sorry, they stopped that a long time ago. Oop. Quick start guide. SIM card ejector. Nothing else. And the case with the phone in it. And that's it. So at least you get a charging cable. No more charger. Ooh, kind of smells like burnt almond fudge. Can you believe it? With a hint of lavender. Wow, it looks so different. I mean, let's get this one naked. This is a Samsung case. So this is the, wait a minute. So this is like a midnight blue. This is the 4, and this is the 5. Oh, they like each other. So we got a little thing right there and the power button, and I wonder if this would fit in an old case. So this is my Poetic case, which I prefer, but I forgot it at home, and I had that one at the office. Wow. Oh. Dang, nabbit. So close. It kind of works. Let's boot it up and see what all the fuss is about. Luckily, I have the USB-C cable from the Z Flip 4. There we go. It's charging. So 1, new hinge. 2, bigger exterior screen. 3, it closes a little flatter. 4, it's just a couple millimeters skinnier. Same battery, same camera lenses, but there's got to be more. You really have to hold that power button in quite a bit. So we have the startup screen on the exterior and the interior. Now, funny enough, do you remember that Motorola Razr that I reviewed 2 years ago? It looked like this. So in a way, Samsung is playing catch up to Motorola. What's that about? Welcome. Okay, so we hit start. You have to sign your life away to everything. You should be familiar with that by now. And this font is really, really small. So keep your reading glasses nearby. I like to start off with a clean slate. So now we're going to find out if it's a nano SIM, and it came charged out of the box at 67%. I guess the fifth one, it seems to lay flatter because on the 4, see the small window? That's how you can tell the difference. I mean, it goes 180, but a lot of times it's, 178, 179. You really have to push it back. So I'm liking the new hinge. There is still a speed bump. You know what? The speed bump is smaller. That's difference number 5. It's so subtle though. So subtle. Okay, now it wants me to choose my provider. So I'm going to choose my provider. You're going to see lots of breaks. Huh, no eSIM found. Copy apps and data. Don't copy. Face recognition. Okay. Well, I usually don't wear glasses. Face recognition. First set a passcode. Oh, man. Registering my face. Face registered. That was fast. Find your lost phone even if it's online. Okay. Would you like to know my Samsung ID? Tough. All right, this setup is boring. About 88 seconds after I flipped off the camera, I got right to it. I just skipped all the authentication stuff. So if you don't set up anything, 400 and here, I'll do this little fancy screenshot. 454.7 gigabytes available. Memory, 8 gig. So this one is 128 or is it 256? I forget. Yeah, this one is 250 gigabytes, 8 gigs of memory. Okay, so no new memory. But I have double the storage and that was free. And then I saved $50. So last year when I upgraded from the Z Flip 3 to the Z Flip 4, it was $100. Then I got a discount, so 90 something. This year it was $57 plus tax, free shipping. I did the pre-order on the following day it came out, and today, August 8th, 2023, it arrived. So that's pretty good. All right. It's at 70% available, and it's charging 43 minutes till full. I will measure the charging speed between these. Samsung is giving me 2 weeks before I have to do the exchange program. But even though supposedly the processor is the same, it feels a little faster, and I have 50 gig free. Let's go to about. Phone number unknown, legal information, battery information. Battery, 3,700 milliamps. Okay. Now we'll check the old one. Battery info, 3,700 milliamps. Exactly the same. So the battery is not any bigger, which I knew before I upgraded, but I did want that bigger screen. Oh, come on, just like the commercials. Oh, and they added a little camera icon. That's fun. So now I can see myself much larger, and then I can do a portrait. Or not, okay. That was cool, right? And then let's try a 5-second timer. Wasn't that fun waiting for that to see it show up? Turn on location tags? Sure, while using the app. A lot of signing your life away. So does it still do the preview? So that's how you would preview yourself of me taking a picture of you. So one thing I want to try is the video. So I do a lot of video on mine, and if I change it to 16:9, and then I change it to Ultra HD, ultra high resolution, I still get the preview, and the preview window is so much bigger. Oh, I just started recording. Oh, and you can change it to widescreen. See, that's worth it right there. So I'm going to play with this, and this is just first day. I'll come back in a few hours. Audio check. Okay, let's turn that. Audio check. We have it on -3 decibels through the Apple iPhone 12 mini. I also have the bunny ears on my Lume Cube Pro Light. And yeah, I think this works. Little stand-up video thing. Yeah.